Do you live? Who? What? Where? Which one is correct? That's it. Where? Where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live? Do you wake up? I wake up at 7:30 a.m. What? What time? How? According to the answer, the best is what time? What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7:30 a.m. Is your brother? He is great. Thanks for asking. Which one is correct? See? How, where, or who? How is your brother? That's it. How's your brother? How's your brother? He's great. Thanks for asking. Is this? That's my electronic dictionary. What, where, or who? Yeah, that's it. What? What is this? What is this? Or what's this? What's this? Do you take English class? Because I want to improve my speaking. Which one is correct? Where, why, or how? In the answer we have because. So, why is correct. Why do you take English class? Because I want to improve my speaking. Does your father work? He works at the post office. Where, why, or when? Perfect. Where? Where does your father work? He works at the post office. Where is for the place. Where does your father work? Do I cook rice? You need to use a pot with water. How? Why? What? Yeah, that's it. How? How do I cook rice? You need to use a pot with water. Is the party? What is the answer? It is on Saturday night. How? Why? When? Yeah, when? Because it's about time. It is on Saturday night. So, when is about time? When is the party? When's the party? Are you sad? Because my dog is sick. Easy. How? Why? What? That's it. Why? Because we have because. Because is for the reason. Why is asking for the reason. Why are you sad? Because my dog is sick. Is the bank? It is on 4th Avenue. What? Where? Or how? Perfect. Where? Where? Where is the bank? Where is the bank? It is on 4th Avenue. Alex said, they are my friends. What? Where? Who? Yeah, who? Because who is about people. Who are they? They are my friends. Who are they? They are my friends. Alex, are they from? They are from Spain. What? Where? How? Yeah, where? Where are they from? They're from Spain. Where are they from? They're from Spain. Or where are you from? Where is he from? Are their names? Their names are John and Betty. or Betty, sorry. We don't say Betty. Maybe it's correct. I don't know. John and Betty or John and Betty. What, where, when. Yeah, what? What are their names? Their names are John and Betty. Alex, are they? John is 13 and Betty is 10. How old? How much? How often? We use how much for the price, and how often is about, let's say, the frequency. So here we use how old because it's about age. How old are you? How old are they? How old are they? John is 13 and Betty is 10. Are their parents? Their parents are in London now. Which? Who? Where? Yeah, that's it. Where? Because in the answer we have London. It's about place. Where are their parents? Their parents are in London now. Are there in their bags? There are some books in their bags. Who? What? How? Perfect. What? What are there in their bags? Or what are there in their bags? There are some books in their bags. Did they get here? They took a taxi. Why? What? How? Perfect. How? How did they get here? They took a taxi. How did they get here? They took a taxi. Alex, are they here? They are here to visit us. They are here to visit us. So, what is your guess? Why? What? Which? Nice. Why? Why are they here? Why are they here? Reason. They are here to visit us. Languages can they speak? They can speak 2 languages, English and German. How much? How many? Where? How many? How many languages can they speak? They can speak 2 languages, English and German. How many? How many languages? How many people? How many friends do you have? How many books do you have? Where she work? Does, do, is. That's right. Does. Where does she work? Where does she work? Where does she work? Where does she work? When you finish school. Does, do, are. Here we have you. So we use do. When do you finish school? When do you finish school? When do you finish school? Why you like that movie? Do, are, does. You, do you. That's it. Why do you like that movie? Why do you like that movie? Why do you like that movie? Because it was fun. Because it had a great story. What your brother's name? Is, are, does. How many brothers? 1. So we use is. What is your brother's name? What's your brother's name? What's your brother's name? How old? your parents? Is, are, does. Nice. Are. How old are your parents? Your parents means your father and your mother. If it was parent, so we had to use is. How old is your parent? But here we have parents. How old are your parents? When Dan eat dinner? Is, do, does. Correct. Does. When does Dan eat dinner? When does Dan eat dinner? Why don't we use is? Because here we have eat. It's a verb. We can't use to be verbs with simple form of the verbs. Okay? So here we couldn't or we can use is. But we can say, when is Dan eating dinner? Eating dinner. Okay? So if it is progressive, if it is ing form or gerund form, eating, so we can use is, am, is, are to be verbs. But here it's not that. So we need to use does. When does Dan eat dinner? What? The answer to question number 5. Is, do, does. Very good. Is. What is the answer to question number 5? What is the answer to question number 5? How the boys like the class? Are, do, does. Do. How do the boys like the class? How do the boys like the class? When they come to school? Did, does, are. We have to use did. When did they come to school? When did they come to school? Where she work? Did, do, does. That's it. Does. Where does she work? We can use did as well, but does is better. Where does she work? Where does she work? Who you sit with in class? Who you sit with in class? Did, do, A and B. Yeah, both are correct. A and B. Who did you sit with in class? Who do you sit with in class? When the boys go to sleep? Did, do, are. Do and did both are correct. When do the boys go to sleep? When did the boys go to sleep? How Tom like his new car? Is, do, does. Yeah, does. How does Tom like his new car? Because we have Tom. Okay? Is a one person. How does Tom? How does he like his new car? I wasn't listening. Did she say? Where? What? How? Yes, what? I wasn't listening. What did she say? What did she say? I pointed at the phone I wanted to buy and said, is that one? What is the answer? How many? How many is that one? How much is that one? What cost is that one? Yeah, that's right. How much? Easy peasy. How much How much is that one? I pointed at the phone I wanted to buy and said, how much is that one? I can't find my glasses. Are they? What? When? Where? Yeah, that's right. Where? It's about location, about place. I can't find my glasses. Where are they? Where are they? Jenny made a suggestion. She said, we go for a walk. See, it's a suggestion. Why didn't? Why do? Why don't? Easy. That's right. Why don't we go for a walk? Why don't we go for a walk? So when you want to make a suggestion, you can use this form. Why don't we? Why don't we go for a walk? Why don't we watch a movie? Why don't we, let's say, go to the movies? To the gym. How often you go? How often you do go? How often do you go? Yeah, that's easy. How often do you go? How often do you go to the gym? How often do you go to the movies? How often do you go? What time does she get up? She does get up. She gets up. Right. Does she get up? That's it. What time does she get up? What time does she get up? Who is the man over there? The man over there is. The man is over there. The correct answer is the first one. Is the man over there? Who is the man over there? Who is the man over there? Where your sister is from? Is your sister from? From is your sister. That's funny. Yeah. Is your sister from? Where is your sister from? Where is your sister from? Where's your sister from?